Do you want to get a UK IP address for your online needs? With a premium VPN, you can change your real IP address and location to the UK. When you connect to a VPN, all your internet traffic gets routed through the VPN server. The VPN server will encrypt your data and make you anonymous online by changing your IP address to that of another location. But the question remains, what is it that you can do with a UK IP that you cannot do otherwise? For starters, here are a few ways a UK IP address can help you. If you have a UK bank account and you want to use online banking from overseas, you can only do so with a UK IP address. Or if you use any web apps or services that are only available in the UK, you'll need a UK IP address to access them from outside the UK. Moreover, if you are working from home or another country and you want to access secure files on your organization's server, you will need a UK IP address. Setting up a VPN on your device is fast and easy. Here are a few simple steps to follow. Go to the PureVPN website and sign up. After that, download a PureVPN app for your device of choice. Once you've downloaded, installed the app, and logged into PureVPN, connect to a server in the UK. Once connected, your real IP address will be replaced by a new UK IP address provided by the VPN. Once you've successfully connected to a VPN, it's always a good idea to ensure that your VPN is working properly. To be sure, visit this IP address. Here, you'll be able to see your current IP address and location. If you see yourself located in the UK, it proves that your VPN is indeed working the way it should. Unsure if you need a UK IP address? Let us help you decide. Here are a few questions for you. Are you a hardcore gamer who usually plays on UK servers? Do you travel frequently? Or do you need to get early access to online video games, movies, softwares, and updates coming to the UK only? If you answer yes to any one of these questions, a UK IP can help you substantially. Get PureVPN today for a better tomorrow.